Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome to my channel. And today we will learn the difference between would and used to. So guys, let's begin. Let's see what is the basic difference between used to and would. So first see this screen and then we will understand and I will explain. And as you can see this screen on your mobile or computer screen, and now I hope you have already understood the concept and what is the basic difference between used to and would. So let me explain for you. Used to we use for past discontinued habit. It means if we are talking about any past habit, but that is there, we have the knowledge and it is sure that that is discontinued, then we will use used to show our past discontinued habit. On the other hand, we can use would also to show our past habit, but there is a slight difference. What is the difference? The difference is that if we are using would, that means there we are showing our past habit, but not there is no confirmation that that past habit will not happen in the future or in present. So this habit here, if we are using would to show our past habit, it means we are not confirmed that this habit is discontinued. At any point of time, anyone can again practice the same past habit in present or in future. So where there is no confirmation and there is a chance that the person can again practice the same thing and anytime. So at that moment of time, we will use would. So this is the basic difference between used to and would. We will use used to where there is past discontinued habit, and we will use would where there is a past habit but there is no confirmation that that is discontinued. Okay, so don't worry, let's see some example to understand this. Yes, this is the first example. Please read. Here. Okay, so let me read now for you. Before he got diabetic, he used to eat a lot of sweets. So here we are using used to in this sentence. So used to, just we I have written in capital letter just to make you more focus on that word. That's all. So why here we are using used to, as we can understand by reading the sentence. Before he got diabetic, he used to eat a lot of sweets. It means we are getting the meaning that he is not eating sweets now. This is his habit, but his past habit. And also, if we are using used to, it means it is confirmed that it is his past habit, past discontinued habit. That is why here we are using used to. And by reading the sentence, we can understand that before he got diabetic, he used to eat a lot of sweets. So after being diabetic, he is not using or he is not eating sweets. So in this type of sentence or condition, we will use used to, where it is confirmed that the past habit is discontinued. Okay, so let's take another example to understand it better. And second example on your screen. Please read. When he was young, he would dance in every party. So here, his past habit was dancing, but there is a possibility that he may dance again in any party, in present or in any future. So here there is, we cannot confirm that this habit is past discontinued habit. So we know that this is his past habit, but this is not confirmed that this is discontinued. So he can again dance in any party. There is no problem with dancing. So that is why here we are using would to show past habit. When he was young, he would dance in every party, and also now he can dance. What we will do? What will we do? So, no problem. Thank you so much, and I hope you have got the idea and you have understood the main point, that what is the basic difference between used to and would. We use used to for past discontinued habit, and on the other hand we use would for past habit, but there is no surety of discontinued. Again, the person can practice his past habit in present or in the future. Thank you so much for watching my videos, and please give a like if you like my videos. Please share with your friends, and thank you for subscribing. And if you want, you can watch this video again so that you will understand it better. Thank you so much. Keep smiling, keep learning, be happy, try to help others. Thank you.